Okay, so this is a video on how to get your lawnmower blade off of there for sharpening. So in this case, it's an electric lawnmower, and it's got no holes in the base. I guess it's because it's a mulcher. So what you need is some vice grips. You put them on there on the base. So this way it'll stop it going from both ways. That way and that way. So I'll make sure it's on there tight. So then you gotta loosen this. So to loosen it, find the sharp part, and you're gonna have to torque it the way that it's gonna spin to get it off. So in this case, it's sharp end here, so it's spinning this way. So I've already loosened this one up a bit. So there it goes, it's being held in place here. That's basically it. It's a nice, safe way to do it. Just make sure the parts are preserved when you put it back on, that you remember how it goes on the same way. That's it, and to put it back on, basically just do it the same way, but you're going to tighten it the other way, obviously. Okay, hope that helps.